How to add track animation in Wix Studio. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can click onto the element that you want to apply it. Then click onto this inspector icon. And then from in there, just hover to this mouse effects. And then make sure to expand it. You can see in here this add icon. Click on it and you can see in here this track icon and you can see that this is what it will look like. So click on this right here and then it shall be applied onto this. Next thing we need to do is we just need to head over and then click onto this publish icon in order to actually go and then save this. Now let's head over and see what it will look like into our live site. So as you can see, it will actually go and then try to track our mouse. So if I put my mouse right here, it will actually follow and you can see that it will actually follow the mouse that we have. Since this is actually a mouse effect, it will track the mouse that we have into our actual cursor. This means that it's only available into the PC or laptop or website and not available into your actual Android or tablet or any touchscreen devices. So that's how you add track animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.